Hey guys, today we'll be going over Vivid Light Bar's 54-inch single row dual color light bar. This light bar comes with 4D lenses, a strobe function, and is of course dual color. I used a Rough Country 8-panel multiple light controller. This let me run just one wire through my firewall with the ability to control multiple lights and functions. Going over the wiring of this light bar, you have multiple switch options. Those being a wireless or wired remote controller, as well as an option for your own button or toggle switch. For my application, I chose the 3-wire toggle switch. The light bar will have 8 wires for this option. A power and ground are in their own harness. As usual, black is ground, red is positive. A separate 3-wire cable will control the functions. The brown wire controls your non-flashing patterns, which are solid white, solid amber, 3/5 white with 2/5 amber, and 2/5 white with 3/5 amber. The yellow wire controls total flash bar patterns, as I like to call it. These patterns will use the whole bar at the same time. The blue wire controls sectional flashing patterns. Last harness will have 3 wires, and it comes from the relay. The white wire is constant power, which I did not use for my application. The black wire is ground, and the blue is basically a communication wire for the relay to turn on when it receives power. To power on the system, I've wired the blue wire from the relay along with the black wire ground to their own button. This allows me to isolate the system and ensure there's no parasitic draw from my battery. The other 3 wires in the picture are different from what the factory colored wires are. This is because I had to extend the harness because of the placement of the light bar. Imagine the yellow wire is the green wire, the brown wire is the black wire, and the blue wire is the white wire. For the rest of this video, we're going to go through some flash patterns. You get to see what this light bar looks like at night. If you have any questions concerning the light bar, different patterns you want, feel free to contact Vivid Light Bars under the Contact Us tab. Business hours are Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Feel free to contact David, and thanks for watching.